Hey y'all, welcome back to Rolling Pin Recipes. Alright y'all, I've got it in the bag. We're gonna pull out the giblets. Is that it? Oh gosh. Okay. There's multiple pieces in here. Oh, lovely. What? How many pieces are we pulling out now? Oh my kendama, how many pieces do I gotta pull out of here? Okay, that's gotta be it. Those may or may not be a little snack for somebody. I'm gonna set these aside. That looks delicious. This, I don't know what is... I don't know what all these pieces are, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Absolutely delicious. Look at that. Yummy. Set that here. I believe we're clear in there. I'm gonna wash up. All right, y'all, the microwave's running. I have 4 cups of water here. We're going to add that right in to our chicken. This is a 2-gallon bag. I'm very glad we're using this. Now, I'm gonna fill it up a little bit of the way. I have 1 cup of water in the microwave. Gonna boil it so I can dissolve a 1/4 cup of salt in it. I'll link the recipe that I'm gathering inspiration from, and then I will add the salt to that water, combine it with this to make 8 cups.
Provide excellent dental, joint, and mental stimulation for dogs. They are safe to feed raw, acting as a natural toothbrush.
Oh, good. All right, y'all, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of salt into this boiling water, and we will let that dissolve. I'll stir it up, dissolve, combine. All right, y'all, it's pretty much dissolved now. The girls had their chicken snack. All right, it's mostly dissolved. We're gonna combine so I can see how much I need for 4 cups. Good. We got another 4 cups. This bag is pretty much perfect. I don't know why it's yellow, but I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to set this in a bowl and put it in the fridge, and we will get to it tomorrow. It's the night before right now, and we will smoke this up tomorrow. Can't wait. First chicken. Bon appetit. Hey y'all, it's another day. It's the next day. I'm going to dump the liquid from this chicken and we'll dry her out. All right, y'all, I'm just going to pull the thing out. Do you want to grab me a paper towel from up there, honey, please? Oh, yeah. All right, y'all, the family's in and out. I just need to get this chicken out of this bag, set it on this plate, and I'll throw this liquidy bag away. Oh boy. Hopefully. Oh my. All right, y'all, that was a bad idea. Really bad idea. Do not do that. I'm gonna pat this little booger dry. Luckily my trash is full and needs to be taken out, so we will do that. Try to get in here and dry her out as best as I can. It's probably in that brine for 12, 15-ish hours. Okay, we're gonna do beer can. So we went out and found us a beer can yesterday, and I'll show you, but we will put the chicken on the beer can. Basically, I'm gonna season it with a rub we already had, I believe. This is pretty patted dry. Now we need to wash and season. All right, y'all, I patted it dry, but we need to rinse it. Good enough. Alright, y'all, I'm just gonna go in with chicken hands and put this on there.
Doesn't really want to stick. Huh?
No.
Maybe, hold on. Maybe we ought to rub a little oil on there. Yeah.
Well, if I rub it.
Yeah, it looks like it's alright.
we smoked this chicken at 150 for about 1 hour. Then we kicked up the heat to about 225 for 3 or 4 hours. This chicken turned out absolutely incredible. We will be making it again. It was absolutely delicious. You could make anything with it. It was about a 7-pound chicken. So good. I mixed the beer rub with the lemon pepper. I would do either or, y'all. Still absolutely delicious. Just, it's homemade, so you can do what you want. Try to get it all the way down there on them breasts. I'm really in here, y'all. Cover them little breastises up. Put that away. Now I need to save some for the beer can. Make sure I rub it down. It's pretty good. I sanitized this whole area and I will have to do it again. That's the beauty of cooking at home, y'all. Y'all, this is the rub we used. Cabela's beer can chicken. It was clumped together, so I just put it in the bag. I had about half, so almost a cup, 3/4 cup. This has salt, sugar, paprika, spices, onion, garlic, hickory smoke flavor. I don't know. Can definitely feel that sugar when you wash your hands, but should be delicious. I have lemon pepper. I don't know if we should do a combo, but this is gonna be incredible and I'm so excited. This is our first chicken we've done and it should be delicious. All right, y'all, I think we need about a third of this can. This is the only affordable can we could buy without buying 49 beers. I'm gonna dump some of it out. I'm not no alcohol or beer professional, so it's about half. I think it's about here. Shoot. Because I've got about 2 cups, which means there's about a cup in here, which is pretty good. All right, we're gonna get this on there. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put some of this rub in this beer, and we're just gonna carefully try to get this on the smoker without making a mess and messing stuff up, and then I can show you afterwards. Do you want me to put all this in there?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm so excited. You don't think I should combine lemon pepper too? Just try this.
You can put lemon pepper on there.
Okay.
I like lemon pepper chicken.
I do too. Gotta think about the flavors they do at the store. I can't never taste the flavors really anyway. All right, y'all. Got this big old jug of lemon pepper. Throw some on there. Oh yeah. Oh man, this stuff smells so good. Put some in here. Okay. Try to get some into boobies. Rub it in there. All right, y'all. I'm so excited. This is gonna be our first whole chicken and we're stoked. The girls, the dogs, everybody's super excited. Perfect Easter dinner, protein, spend time outside. Spring is beautiful. Everything's blooming. It's just gorgeous. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this on the smoker and I'll show you in a minute. Y'all, we got it on there, probing it up. Looks delicious, smells delicious. Hopefully she stands and we'll see what happens. I'm smoking it at 150 for an hour, then we'll kick it up, keep an eye on it. Taking these out or what?
Yeah. I just couldn't get them out.
It was a little difficult to get this chicken off the smoker because it was hotter than a firecracker, but we got it. Absolutely beautiful. Oh. Well, there's his leg. He's good. Salty.
Wow.
It's good. My family is just digging into this, y'all. I clean this whole thing up and get it all good to go. Get every bit I can off while my family and I snack on it. The girls got a tiny little piece and boy, we ate this up. The skin got a little soft and everything just because I used that foil in the back there to tent it for 15 minutes, I believe. I'll link the recipe I used for guidelines. It was still absolutely delicious. I don't typically eat the skin anyway, but it did get pretty crispy, so I'll have to try something different next time to keep it that way. We love our smoker and got it for really cheap, y'all. If you're considering it, give it a try. It's amazing. Oh, that's what you got to say? And very rewarding. All right, y'all. I don't know if you can tell, but this chicken turned out delicious. I've cleaned it all up at this point. Smoky, flavorful. 2 big old chicken breasts, some white meat, the wings, the thighs, extra dark meat, little skin. Like, this turned out incredible. Look at this. Look at this meat. So good, so flavorful, so delicious, so moist. Like, y'all, this turned out incredible. Worth it. Look how good. Like, yes, please. And putting that seasoning all the way down to the breast was awesome. This turned out absolutely delicious. Better than I could have imagined. Definitely worth it. All right, y'all. Here we have it. A smoked chicken. Turned out absolutely incredible. We will be making smoked chicken again. It tastes just like a rotisserie chicken. Look how flavorful those breasts are. The breast meat's delicious. The dark meat's delicious. This is a lot of meat here. My family will be eating on this for days. These juices are delicious. It's so moist, flavorful, cooked to perfection. So good. I feel like the darker meats, which are thinner, got a little salty, but my husband likes a little more salt than me, so it's perfect for him. I love breasts, so these will be incredible. Perfect amount of salt. Absolutely delicious. We will be making this again. I hope you guys give this a try. I'll leave the recipe down below that we use for inspiration. We appreciate y'all for joining us in our kitchen, and this is perfect for Easter, Mother's Day, any get together, any meal prep, weekly protein to keep in the freezer, get chickens on sale. We appreciate y'all for watching. Bon appetit. Peace out, y'all.